Hello everyone, this side Amul Barnwal. I'm just today I'm just going to discuss about option constraint in Salesforce CPQ. So how these option constraints will help us in defining an option product so that we can exclude one option based on the another option product selected by the salesperson. So here option constraint can be used for two scenarios. One scenario is called exclusion type, another one a scenario called a dependency type. So option constraint can be used for two scenarios. One is for exclusion, another one is for dependency. So for exclusion, let's suppose I am taking one of the example that I took in my previous session in a IT professional bundle pack, right? So in this particular IT professional bundle pack, I have a product name called UK keyboard and US keyboard. So I am using this option constraint so that while creating a code for this IT professional pack, a salesperson can only choose the UK keyboard or US keyboard. Once the UK keyboard is being selected, salesperson should not be allowed to choose the US keyboard or vice versa. And for a dependency option constraint, I am going to take this particular example. The mouse battery can only be selected once the mouse is going to be sale with a quote itself. So this mouse battery is a dependent product on a mouse actually. So that is why this option constraint is going to be used for two purposes. One is for exclusion purpose, another one is for dependency purpose. So let's see how quickly we can define this option constraint in our Salesforce. I'm going to start with the demo quickly. So here you see I have a one product bundle name called IT Professional Pack. In this bundle product, I have my option product. Let me give you the list of all options product that I have in my list. I have a laser printer, I have a business laptop, wireless router access point installation, US keyboard and UK keyboard. These are the two option product that I am going to take an example in our constraint dependency type actually. And another one is called mouse and mouse battery. So mouse battery can only be selected once the mouse is got selected actually in a code model. So now I'm going to click on a IT professional pack as in a product. So option constraint is a related list under this product. So I'm going down to the related list name called option constraint. So I'm going to take the first example where we talked about the exclusion part. So US keyboard can only be selected once the UK keyboard is selected. So I am typing a constraint name US keyboard versus UK keyboard. So in the constraint option, I am going to select a constraint type name called UK keyboard. I am choosing the UK keyboard and an option constraint. So this option constraint can only be plugged in or uh, can be used with a constraining option name called US keyboard. Just make sure this particular word should be active, and I am making this particular type option constraint of type called exclusion. So once the US keyboard is being selected in our quote model, so user should not be allowed to select the US keyboard or vice versa. I'm just clicking on a save button now. So now you see under IT professional pack as in a bundle, once we go down to the related list, we can see the P003 means an option product called US keyboard is got selected, then P004 got excluded from the selection purpose. So now I'm going to give you a quick demo on exclusion part first here. So I'm on a code edit features. I'm going to choose our IT professional bundle. Just click on a select button here. So here you see this. Once I choose this US keyboard, this UK keyboards selection got disabled, or vice versa. Once I choose a UK keyboard, this US keyboard selection got disappear. So this particular functionality get can be set up with help of option constraint features called exclusion type. Now I'm going to take another example where we have discussed about dependency. So mouse battery can only be selected based on the mouse selections. So let me give you the how you can proceed further with this new option constraint. So I'm clicking on a new option constraint here. Mouse battery dependent on mouse. Okay. So now this constraint option should be a mouse battery, and the constraining option should be a mouse, and I choose a type called dependency. So mouse battery can only be selected once the mouse is got selected. So make sure this particular checkbox or option constraint should be active here. So once you saved it, this will look like your constraint option should be a mouse battery and the constraining option called a mouse. So I'm going to just a quick demo on this mouse battery and mouse selections. I am again going to see how this IT professional pack under code, how it will look like. So here you see this. So here is, let me a moment. So I just did one thing here. So I did one mistake here. So I'm repeating one more time here. So mouse, keyboard, mouse battery can only be selected on mouse selected. So I'm choosing this mouse battery first. It's a constraint, and then constraining will be our mouse, and then dependency. So this will look like to mouse battery and mouse here. So now again I'm going to click on a cancel button. I'm going to add this IT professional pack here, and we'll see how this will look like. So here once if I got this selected this a mouse, I won't be able to select this mouse battery at all. So once I choose this mouse, so then only this mouse battery can be selected. So that is why I choose this mouse battery as a constrained option and the constraining option as a mouse here. So that's it. So this is all about like option constraint, how we can quickly define for two purposes: exclusion and dependency. Thank you.